Okay guys, so welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about cex.io airdrop withdrawal procedures. You understand? So basically what we are withdrawing for cex.io is our CEP token. Now first of all, most people might be confused, or you that you're watching this video, you might kind of like you're uncertain and you are not clear how the withdrawal is going to be. First of all, I must have you know and understand that cex.io is different. It's not like every other airdrop that you have been seeing on Telegram. No, cex.io on its own, it's a trading app. So if you don't know before, you have to know it now. Just as we have Bybit, Bitget, Binance, Gateio, and every other trading centralized exchange that we have, so also we have cex.io. And if you check on CoinMarketCap, from the top 1 to 100, cex.io is among the top 100 trading exchanges we have globally in the world. So now, as touching the withdrawal procedures, cex.io is going to be listed first off on their own trading app. You understand? Just as we have Binance. You know, Binance has, I'm doing this intro so that there will be clarity and you will know what we are doing. You know, Binance have BNB. If you are into crypto, you should know by now. If you are watching this video, Binance has the BNB. Bitget have BGB, and every other exchange have their own token. Not all actually. So cex.io, the CEP token is going to be the native token for the trading app. So first of all, the withdrawal is going to start from their trading exchange. So it might not even be on any other exchanges. It might just be solely on their own exchange. And they might furthermore push it to other exchanges so that they can have much more popularity than they already have, and so that there will be more flow of investors and money. Now, for you to understand what would we be receiving, I already made a video on cex.io airdrop allocation. So if you want to know more, just make sure you just check my playlist and you will see a detailed video. I've explained a lot on cex.io. So I'm explaining here the withdrawal proposal. Now, first off, if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, please ensure what you like, you comment and subscribe. Let me know the country you're watching from. If you have any question after watching this video, make sure you ask me in the comment section. I'll be glad to guide you and answer you. Now, if you come to my own interface, just as you'll be seeing on your own screen, you will see we have a crypto balance above, we have power below, and we have mining power. Now, this power here is by the side, you will see CEXP, which is what? SEC power. You understand? So it is from here will be allocated our CEP token. I made a video explaining a cex.io airdrop allocation. So if you want to know more on that, just tap on my playlist and check for cex.io airdrop allocation on the cex.io playlist so you can know more on that. I want to talk more on the withdrawal. So now, first of all, for you to be able to withdraw your cex.io token, you must have at least connected this your cex.io trading bot that you have on Telegram to their trading app. You understand? They have a trading app that you ought to have linked it together, because cex.io should be listing in the Q4 of 2024 as stated in their roadmap already. If you want me to confirm that, if you didn't know before, I already talked about our cex.io airdrop eligibility, but let me just confirm that again for the sake of others. So if you want to do that, you just tap on airdrop on my top right. So if you tap on airdrop here, you are just going to quickly see the Q4. Let me just run through that quickly, then show you how the withdrawal process is going to be. So if I tap on Q4, as I've tapped on airdrop here, I just tap on this three dotted icon on my top right. If I tap on it, okay, no, that's not it. I just go to the next thing for me to do here is to just scroll down. Now, if you see it, the Q4 of 2024, calculate airdrop and prepare for listing. So basically, they would be listing any moment from now, because we're already at the Q4 of 2024 already. So like I said again, what we will be withdrawing is this SEC power. Now just carefully look through my screen. You can zoom through or make it horizontal for you so you can see clearly. you see I have about, currently now I'm in level 7 and I have about 1.5 million CEP token. You understand? A CEP power. That's not the token actually, because it will be calculated and they will decide what will we have. Now I will show you what is now reflecting in the trading app, which will be what will be withdrawn to us. If you have connected your cex.io this is the Telegram airdrop to the trading app, this is what is going to be displayed to you right now. I'm heading straight to the cex.io trading app because I've already connected mine. If you don't know how to connect yours, just quickly go through down my playlist and you will see I made how you can connect your cex.io airdrop to the app itself. Now quickly, now we are here already. Now if you see here, now what you are going to see here now is my what, my CEX power balance. If you see in everything that I'm engaging on the Telegram app, this is what is displayed here. So automatically once cex.io is being listed, you are not going to be, you know, unlike other airdrops that they will have you say submit the deposit address from Bybit, submit your UID from BitGet, all those stuff we do for other airdrops. You won't be needing that for this, because as far as you have connected it to the trading app, once they have done their calculation for the allocation, what you have will be displayed here instantly. As you can see the CEX balance, so they will now determine and say, okay, by this criteria and every other factor, this is what you have earned at the end of this season 1 and season 2. Then the next step for you to do is what? Sell it. Now I'm just explaining for you how the withdrawal procedure is going to be. In the next video, I'm going to explain to you how you can sell your cex.io airdrop in the app itself. You don't need to say you want to take it to another exchange to sell it. No. I'll show you how you can sell it on the app itself, because this is a trading app on its own that people sell and make different form of money and even do a lot of trading here. So you, just as every other exchange, you can actually sell it here. So I repeat again, for the withdrawal procedure, you won't be needing any exchange UID or whatsoever. The only reason when you'll be needing it is if they will be listing on other exchange, and if they will be listing on other exchange, then they will make a provision for you to submit the exchange UID and the cex.io address on that exchange app. But regardless, if they don't do that, if you have connected it to this app, you will see what you have been allocated with in the app, and right in from the app you'll be able to sell it to USDT, and from USDT you can now transfer that USDT to another exchange account that runs P2P, and you sell to your own local currency depending on where you are residing. So guys, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, please ensure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Feel free to ask whatever question you have in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you and guide you. Let me know the country you're watching this video from so we can interact and communicate more. So guys, you can also join my Telegram channel, because on that channel I post different form of airdrop and I drop different updates in review before I make tutorial videos of them. So don't miss out. Quickly join the Telegram channel, ensure you subscribe, because in the next coming video I'll be talking about the prediction price. I'll be talking about as well as the listing. I've explained the Q4, so there is a lot. You can see the video that will pop up at the end of this video. Make sure you tap on that video and watch the full tutorial guide on cex.io trading app, how to mine it properly. If you are not yet mining cex.io, check down the description box. The link is in the comment section. You just have few more months just to mine and get enough token as much as you can. So guys, thank you for watching. I will be ending the video here. Please ensure you subscribe, give this channel a thumbs up so that more people can see it and be aware of how the withdrawal procedure is going to be, and they should not panic at all. Thank you guys for watching. Once more, please subscribe. Thank you.